Hey guys, going to be doing a quick unboxing and example video of the Insta360 1R. Now I picked up the Twin Edition, which comes with the 4K wide angle lens and the 360 lens. This camera is modular, so you can swap out lenses on the fly, so depending on what the shooting scenario is, you can mix and match. I for one will be, for the most part, using the 360 camera mod. And just coming up, we'll do the unboxing, followed by a few quick videos showing off the 360 camera. So starting off with the camera itself, what you actually get with the Twin Edition is the 4K wide angle mod, which comes attached out of the box, as well as the dual lens 360 mod. You also get the base, which is also the battery. So they just come apart, and because it's modular, you can actually switch between the different lenses depending on your application, what you're going to be using it for. For the most part though, I'm just going to be using the 360 mod. The extra 4K wide angle mod was only an additional $30–40, so it made sense just to pick up the combo pack, but obviously you can make your own decision on what you want to get. So going forward, I'll put that aside. We also have the, as I mentioned, the 360 camera mod battery base. With this battery base, you just pop it on, and it's supposed to create a watertight seal once the camera itself is fully assembled. Other than that, you get all your little parts in the actual case itself here. We have a charging cable and data transfer cable. We have the lens protector for the actual, just for the 360 mod. I guess you can use it also for the 4K wide angle mod, but looks like it's definitely designed for the 360 mod itself. You have your standard case. It actually feels quite well built though, similar to a GoPro case, but obviously tailored for this camera. Going forward, we have a mount with adapter, because this also substitutes for a, like if you're going to use the selfie stick, you could just basically attach it. So not much in there other than the instructions, some decals, some stickers. Here's just a quick shot of everything spread out on the table for you guys, gives you a better idea of what's included with the Twin Edition. Next I'll be showing you guys the motorcycle bundle that I got with the camera, and when you first open it up, it's all kind of just tossed in there. So with the motorcycle bundle just laid out in front of you here, you get one handlebar mount, 2 extension rods, 2 adhesive mounts, 4 3M stickers, 4 mounting buckles, 2 rubber spacers, 1 thumb screw wrench, 1 stability insert sheet, 6 1/4 inch thumb screws, and 6 1/4 camera mount adapters. So here are a couple of examples of some shots I took, the first being at night. Now I did have to set this one to manual because I found the automatic settings left a lot of noise in the image. It was bright enough, but there was quite a bit of snow, we'll call it. Next up, I'm going to be showing you guys some daytime shots. This is just a quick little drive in the truck. The weather isn't quite there yet for the bike, but once the bike is out, I plan on getting a lot more shots, trying out different mounting points, different angles, see what gives us the best result. I'll still be using a GoPro for the primary shots, but this will be an awesome secondary, get some very cool passing shots, hopefully. Now, if you are interested in this camera, I'll put a link down below to purchase it. And if this video did help you out in making a decision on what 360 camera to get in 2020, please feel free to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.